If you're someone who has issues getting in and out of the cab of your John Deere S-Series combine, we have a kit available for you that will change out your vertical ladder into a staircase. Pretty easy installation on this. All you're going to do is remove the bolts on this ladder. You can pull it off, mount this back in place, bolt it in. Pretty easy installation on that part of it. The one nice thing about it is it will fold up and out of the way. That way you can fold it around to the front of the tires to get it up away from the platform and bring it right back around to actually let it descend back down for you. One of the other things about it, it does have a toggle switch up at the top of the platform, so you can flip that switch when you're going into the cab. That will start bringing the staircase up. It takes about 16 seconds to get it fully to the up position, in the same way as in a descending or down position. It takes about 16 seconds to do that as well. Some of the things you'll end up having to do after you get it bolted in place, you'll end up having to run down to a power source. It does take 12 volts of power to actually run to operate the actuator. More times than not, you're probably just going to run it down to the battery to get that power. One of the other things about the staircase kit is depending on where that lead step is at, is going to be more determined by the size of the tires you have. So it could be a little bit higher, it may be a little bit lower, but the nice thing about it is it still folds up and out of the way. They don't have to worry about hitting anything. So if you happen to have any questions on this product, you can check it out on sloanex.com or give us a call at 800-934-9777.